This swampy mess is officially taking over my property. Every time it rains, runoff from the road dumps right onto our land, and the old drainage paths are completely choked up by tree roots. Now I'm left with standing water, a breeding ground for mosquitoes, and a land we can't even use. For those of you new here, we're building a 15-acre family compound in southeast Georgia for my wife, our sons, and their wives. It's a dream project, but this water situation is a nightmare. I actually reached out to the county for help, but they pointed me to the state, and the state basically said it's my problem to solve. So here we are. Originally, I wanted to clear some trees to let the sun in, but with the drought and burn bans from these wildfires, I can't cut anything else, or I'll just be adding to the brush pile I can't burn. So it's on to plan B, skimming topsoil to create a swale. If I can get the water moving instead of sitting, we win. The catch, rain is coming in a few days. I have to get this done while the ground is still dry, or I'm gonna bury this tractor in the mud, and it will take me days to get it back out. There's a saying that nothing beats a failure but a trial, and I figure if you don't try, you've already failed. So I went pretty deep, but I got back out. I'm not trying to get stuck down here. Maybe I shouldn't do this today, right? But I was having so much fun. So here we go. The water travels this way, comes this way, go all the way over there, and there's a little pond right there. So it looks like I can fix it. It's not gonna happen today. Definitely can't do anything right here because of all the roots. So the box blade won't work right here, and I can't do it from the side because I don't have enough room. But I guess I'll go for broke. Let's try it out. Let's see how far I get. I don't know what I can do with the bucket, but we're gonna try. Definitely not the bucket. I'm attacking this from a different angle now, trying to use the box blade, but these roots are just too much. Between the tight space and the uneven ground, I'm struggling just to keep all four wheels down. I even tried widening things with the bucket. I don't know if I made it better or worse. Actually, I made it better, but I could have done a better job, but it's too wet, really wet. So I can't smooth it out like I want. I kind of created a swell so that the water, it'll just pool right there and drain that way. So right here should dry out. Can't get rid of that. So I may bring some dirt down here. So So it rained a lot last night. Actually, it rained 2 days back to back, but not consistently the first day. And this is what it looks like now. So if you remember, this was wet without any rain at all. And it's pretty much dry now. I could walk. Right here, I expected that because the tractor was getting stuck. So I couldn't smooth it out. I was trying to grade a swell that way. So when the water came, it would just run off and run in the ditch all the way over there. So obviously there's work to do right here, so I'm not worried about that, but I'm just happy to know that this will work. Now if you go over here again, it rained, and I understand that the ground is dry, but it should still be more wet than this. So I call this plan a success. So if you have a water problem, just go ahead and take off the topsoil. When it gets a little bit more dry, I'll just go ahead and grade it out some more. If all else fails, I'll just remove dirt from somewhere on the property and just fill in the low spot, back blade it, and then I think I'll be good. So yes, it is a success. So you never know what you can do until you try. So thanks for coming along with me on the journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe.